Hello all, welcome back to Simply Organized. In summer, the fridge is one of the most used spaces in the kitchen, and decluttering is a must to keep it always clean. So, I start by checking for expired items and taking everything out of the fridge. Once the space is cleared, I give it a thorough clean. I usually like to combine fridge cleaning and grocery shopping on the same day. This way, I can easily see what's needed and neatly stock up on fresh items right away. It saves time and keeps everything organized. Since my fridge is already stocked with fresh groceries, I plan my meals for the week in advance accordingly. This helps me prep ingredients beforehand and minimize cooking time. For example, chopping veggies and storing them in airtight containers makes cooking much easier on these hot summer days. Hydration is key in summer. So I keep water bottles in multiple spots like the bedside table, living room, or anywhere I spend most of my time. This simple habit ensures we drink enough water throughout the day without constantly heading to the kitchen. Did you know the cool air from your air conditioner can escape through small gaps under the doors? This not only makes the room warm up faster but also increases electricity costs. And a quick fix is placing a door draft stopper at the bottom of the door to keep the cool air in and make your AC work more efficient. You might already know or follow these tips, but think of these as a gentle reminder to make your home more comfortable and organized this summer. If you have any of your own summer home maintenance hacks, share them below. I would love to hear them. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home organization tips. Thanks for your time and see you next time on Simply Organized.